Hi guys, welcome to this Rakesh channel. So guys, today I'm discuss very important topic here. How you can website will be secure website. Now I can open the website. The showing will be like this here. So mean by your website will be not secure. So not secure website. How we can go for secure website? These all your depend on hosting. So which kind of code we can use to secure your website by using Inscript SSL code by using cPanel. First of all, this code we have to place for in a particular format here based on website PHP, HTML, based on that. This code compulsory important for this option and this code will be available. Go to my website Rakesh Tech Solutions. Here we'll be providing for blog option or we have to go to footer option will be there. The option call is video tutorial. Along with video, the code is available by video tutorial option. So how it is happening? Your not secure website, we can go for secure website. The steps are the entire copy code. We have to go for cPanel and go to file manager option. In this file manager, we have update for public underscore HTML. In this .htaccess file is compulsory mandatory. This file will be hidden file. When go into setting option, show hidden file. So I'm hidden the hide file option. So the file will be hide. Now we will click show hidden files. After that, paste your code will be here. So I'm just paste the code here. This code. Based on the website extension we can use here. You can making for HTML, extension will be HTML. You're making for PHP, using for PHP. Guys, don't forget htaccess code. This is a very important on your particular website to activate SSL secure. This will be read it purpose. This will be SSL purpose and we can use it for this code. Based on your home page extension, we have to activate SSL code. Now save change. After done this option, we have to close and close this one. Go to cPanel. The option name is called here. We can go to security. The option called is security. In this, we can go to option called is let's encrypt SSL. Here, you have to install for SSL activation. And some people asking one question. So my cPanel is not showing for this option. That is, you have to purchase for separately. Based on the hosting, this SSL will be provided for cPanel. Which option will be providing for Encrypt SSL certificate? That we can go to issue. Here will be option call is main, alias, everything will be supported, included. You can give by HTTP1, not for DNS. HTTP1. Click for issue. Click for issue here. So you have to wait for some second. The issue will be started for success will be finished and your things. After the just click for go back. Here click for reinstall. Once I click for reinstall, here they're showing for two things. Click for reinstall. Once it's done, click for back. Now go to your website, click for Control F5. So you will taking for Control F5. Just you have taking for 1 minute to 2 minutes of time. You will start it for unsecure website will be secure will be going to the log option. You have to wait for up to 1 minute time. Exact 1 minute time. The not secure website we can go for secure. So every time we have to use this option to secure a website to people for reasonably secure from your website will be compulsory mandatory. This is a Google main option for your website will be compulsory secure. This compulsory don't forget in a cPanel the option name is called let's encrypt SSL. Here we can issue from here. See this one. Expire 4th March 2021. They will expire for 4th March 2021. So this is a way to activate SSL certificate each and every website. That mean by to secure your website. This is the code. How we can save for the notepad. The file will be .htaccess file. And one more important guys, .htaccess file we can't upload direct onto cPanel. Go to the cPanel option, file manager, public underscore HTML. Here taking for file, you can create the file will be .htaccess. You will be create the file here. After file will be create, the code will be copy for the particular notepad. The file will be created as a notepad format. So this method we can use to secure a website and promote your Google or online, get for more leads and more secure your customer for to trust your business. This is a method we can follow to activate server secure layer. So further any doubts will be required for code, please contact this Laga channel, comment me and text me for any chat, any email. We definitely will be support on your SSL purpose.